LunAlithHome.com was founded in 2005 and is headquartered in Sichuan. With over 20 years of expertise in the candle and aromatherapy industry, we have evolved from a local integrated manufacturing and trading enterprise into a leading supply chain solutions provider serving large and medium-sized B2B clients worldwide. We deeply understand the challenges of cross-border procurement and are committed to becoming your most reliable and efficient extension of the overseas procurement department, operating from a 10,000 square meter factory. We focus on the mid to high-end aromatherapy market, specializing in flameless diffusers, scented candles, car air fresheners, and aroma stones, while offering full chain services from design to production. Backed by our profound industry experience, we are recognized as a super supplier capable of delivering excellence at scale. To date, we have served over 30,000 customers globally and established stable OEM and ODM partnerships. Our facility is equipped with dozens of advanced machines, and every employee undergoes rigorous training before assuming their role, ensuring every product meets our high-quality standards and satisfies the diverse demands of online and offline brands and suppliers. All our products are crafted from natural soy wax and pure plant essential oils, containing no harmful additives. Our creative design team constantly follows international fashion trends and creates unique fragrance products